Hey, it's Mascara again, or hi, it's Mascara if you're new here, and today I thought I'll play with my most expensive makeup. Now I don't have anything really expensive. I have stuff that is kind of expensive. Some bits are from America, things like that, so I'm just going to start throwing this on my face because let's see how this turns out. It could be kind of funny. So my most expensive primer is a Too Faced Hangover Cure, because I own 2 primers, maybe 3, but the third one's a sample. This is a mini, it's still like 12 quid or something like that. I do like this one though, so I'm just going to put a drop on there, drop there. I'm just going to rub it in with my fingers because that is what I tend to do. So my primer is fairly hydrating. I am getting annoyed at the fact I keep putting my finger over a spot that I can't actually see, which is incredibly infuriating, but it's because I had dairy the other day and I'm lactose intolerant and allergic to it. So yeah, I think it's literally good behaviour if I just didn't exfoliate my face well enough, well, wash it off well enough earlier. Now for foundation, this isn't a colour match for me. This is the Tarte Foundcealer. I used quite a bit of it, but it is a little bit too dark for me because I had to colour match on the website and it turns out I'm not as tanned as I thought I was. But I have a hack for this. So you just twist it around like this. I do love the packaging of this. I will probably buy it again in a lighter shade at some point. Twist that one down. It's going to fall over. I'm just going to bounce this in. Some of you may be saying just use some lightning drops, whereas I always cock up with lightning drops. I always end up using too much. Because you know your skin changes over the year. I can add a little bit more on my cheeks because after having dairy the other day, my skin is not doing the best. Now as you may be able to tell, I've got a bit of a tan line going on at the moment. I'm just going to make sure this is all blended well into the hairline because it's not what I really need right now. And I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty, the Overacheiver concealer. It looks like this, with a light metal applicator. And I think this is a lighter shade that you do. I'm just going to get a bit under my eyes. Well, quite a lot under my eyes, but let's be real. And I'm just going to go along the jawline with this. And suddenly it doesn't look as bad. I probably used a bit too much concealer, let's be real. I normally use the Shape Tape, which is a better match to my real skin tone. And ta-da! Is a much better colour match. Now, rather than just going straight in with powder, I have cream contour, which is also Huda Beauty. This is the Tantour in Fair. It looks like this. I'm just going to get a bit on this brush. I'm just blending it in with this brush as well. Makes life easier. I'm going to use a little bit of residue on the nose. And I'm just going to make sure it's all, I haven't got any creasing anywhere. My eyes are fucking huge, let's be real. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter powder in butter. Because I am pale. I make Casper the Friendly Ghost look tanned, as far as I'm concerned. So take the brush, just got a little bit on the brush, tap a lot of it off. Then get a bigger fluffy brush and go on with the rest of it. Also, if you're wondering about my fox friend, he is Trevor. He is enormous. He's very cuddly. I've had to put 2 bags of stuffing extra into him because he used to look drunk. Now for actually I'm going to go with my brows first before I go into that. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Taupe, or Taupe, however you pronounce it. And I'm just going to brush my brows through first. I have very pale brows, I always have. And I've got lockdown brow at the moment. And to neaten up a bit, I'm going to use my Precisely My Brow by Benefit in shade 3.75, just to kind of help define ends and feather it all out. Get a nice clean point on the end if I can. The brows. Also, as usual, sorry about the lighting, but it is being its normal British self outside, so the lighting may be a bit worse than usual. So now bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm going to open it again. Just going to get my brush in there a little bit. You can tell it's fairly well loved. Just going to bronze up my face a bit more. Even though I've already used Tantour foundation that's a bit too dark, so I had to sculpt my cheeks a bit with that. Then for blush, my Ofra blush in Candy Apple. It is adorable and tiny. I'm counting this one as my most expensive because full price it is my most expensive. And probably gram for gram, it's my most expensive. But I do love the colour. It makes me look alive. So for eyeshadow, my most expensive palette is probably the Naked Cherry palette. I have used this a few times, I do really like it. And some of you might say my Norvina palette is probably the most expensive, but it was a gift. I've had it on here a lot. And it was bought in America, so it is about the same price as the Naked Cherry palette, so I'm not going to count it. Also, I think gram for gram this one counts more because it's only got 12 shades, it's got half the amount of shades and it's the same price. Nice, clean brush. Oh my god, it's never going to be clean with me. Yet somehow this one is. I'm suspicious. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the shade here, the second one along called Caution, which is a matte kind of nude colour it's going to go in. It is a little bit darker than my skin tone. Then I'm going to go in with Juicy, which is this pink just here above my finger. Then I think I'm going to go with a bit of Devilish, which is this colour just here. It's another matte shade. And I'm just going to kind of focus this over on the outer corner-ish and blend it into my outer crease a bit. Add a bit of dimension to it. The usual. Then a touch of Privacy, which is this colour right on the end. I just stamp that into the outer corner. I'm just going to blend the edges to really darken up my outer corner. Then I'm going to go into back Privacy again, and I'm going to do the same to the inner corner. Now with a nice flat brush, I'm going to go back in with Juicy, which is this shade here. On the lower lash line. And a bit of Devilish as well. Put a bit of Juicy in the middle just to kind of do the centre of my eye a bit more bright, or lighten it up a bit. Then I'm going to go in with Bang Bang, which is this shimmer just here, the pinkish one. Using my finger. I'm just going to blend that across my entire lid. Like this. So it's nice, it's not in your face, because I'm not going to do big purple in your face look, but I thought I'd do a more pinky, subtle look for a change. Also, effort. Because this probably isn't going to stay on my face very long. Got my phone off, got my foot on the phone charger, and my legs are going. So next would be eyeliner. I haven't got a lipstick. I'll have to go find a lipstick in a minute. So this is the KVD Tattoo Liner. I've had this a long time and I can't find a replacement at the moment because of lockdown and all that fun, you know, the general idea. So I'm just going to try and get a nice, neat black line across my eye. And knowing me, I'm going to cook it up. One eye done. Okay, so my left eye isn't quite as neat as my right, but that is about standard for me. So I'm going to stick these lashes on. I'm going to find a lipstick, so I'll be back with you in a minute. So these are the Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in Bubble Pop. I've used these before, and I've got my House of Lashes lash glue. I'm gonna go off camera, try and get these on, and I'll be back pretty soon for you. Alright, I got the lashes on. They're alright. Well, I do like these ones, just they won't behave as well. I didn't put the lashes on properly, probably. Or I put them all in the wrong place, one of those types of days. I also stuck some mascara on my top lashes while I was at it, because they have pale lashes, let's be real. I use the Extra Sculpt Oil Mascara by Kiko, and I just stick this on my lower lashes too. I'll probably make a right old mess of it. I'm gonna leave it like that. This is coming off in a minute anyway, knowing me. And for highlighter, my most expensive is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Neffree, which is pink, which is why I went for the pinker palette, or pinker look. And where is the brush? So I'm just gonna go in like this, and I'm just gonna whack some pink on my face. Get all the yellows off it, and just go with a bit of this in the corner. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the MAC Lip Builder in Yash. It's just a nice peachy nude. So now you know it. And this is a finished look. I kind of like it. It's much more subtle than my normal, apart from the lashes, but you know. I really like the highlighter. The Jeffree Star highlighters are on point. I'm not gonna lie. And these lashes are just so big. The more I wear them, the more I love them. So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because we're slowly getting there. So we're getting towards however many subscribers I'm now on, the next big number. And I'll see you all next time for my next video. And hopefully my hair will be dry by then, because this video has been wet all the way through.